Hey everyone, my name is Brian Ragone, CEO and founder of Puzzle. Today we're going to go through a workflow that's a super simple way to start using Clay. Honestly, I've had trouble finding use cases of how to implement Clay when I'm just getting started. So Alex Lindahl posted this LinkedIn post about how he integrated his Beehive newsletter with Clay and sent it into Log Growth Machine for a super simple workflow that allows him to build community across multiple channels. Let's jump in and see how it works. About 2 weeks ago, I came across Alec Lindahl's post about how he's using Beehive and his subscribers to enroll in Clay and ultimately build a multi-channel community across all of the platforms that he's posting content. The reason why I really enjoyed his example that he walked through and the workflow that he's built using Clay, La Growth Machine, LinkedIn, Slack, X, and Beehive is because it achieves three primary goals. One is he gets to engage with new subscribers across channels, which means he's essentially constructing his own multi-channel touch point. So if someone finds him via just one channel, well, of course, he wants to keep in touch with them and get in front of them in other channels as well. So I thought this was a great way to do that. The third thing is he keeps it super simple. And I don't mean that in an offensive way. Honestly, I have trouble figuring out how to operationalize some of these SaaS automation tools, things like Clay and Lock Growth Machine and Full Enrich and all of these tools, Lemlist. There's tons of them. And so I thought it was a great workflow to share for people who are trying to just get a good entry point into using Clay, which is my first point of why it's so helpful sharing this flow. The second thing is he's building community and credibility across channels. So, everyone talks about how it takes 20 something touch points to get someone to eventually trust you and potentially buy your product or start to share your information with others. And so Alex is pretty much building out his own multi-channel campaign and guaranteeing that he will have touch points with people in an organic way across all of the channels that he's posting content. And then the other thing that I really enjoyed about this flow is that there's no hard sells. It's just network building. And that's actually where it ends. He just wants to build a community, which I love. So that's why I wanted to just introduce you to the flow and also link to his posts. And I'll go ahead and walk through exactly how this flow works. So I'll start out with the tools. The tools that he uses here is Beehive, which you can start for free, but they do have a scale package at $34 per month. Then you can use Clay, which also has a free plan. And then their first paid plan starts at $140 per month. And then Loud Growth Machine comes in at about $60 per month. The rest of the platforms in this workflow, X, LinkedIn, and Slack, all have free versions that you could go ahead and try out. Okay, so let's start talking about this workflow. And really anyone who's trying to build community could use this workflow, who has a newsletter that wants to, have touch points across, other channels other than just their newsletter. So Beehive's really effective because, obviously new subscribers will come to Alex's page at Claymation here, which I have linked, and they can subscribe to his Beehive newsletter. But whenever someone does subscribe, the first thing that happens is via a webhook, he will push that information over to Clay, and Clay will go ahead and enrich the company name that this person is associated with, the title, and their work email, only if their personal email was originally provided. So very quickly, he's got information on his contact and he pushes that over to Slack, which notifies him that, hey, you have a new subscriber and here's some additional information that the Clay agent went ahead and found. But that's not all. He continues to make Clay go and group the contacts based on title, whether they're, a C-suite, I believe it was, a VP, a manager, director, and maybe an IC. I forget the exact categories that he mentioned, but it'll go ahead and categorize the contact based on title, and we'll also categorize the contact based on the team that they're associated with. Meaning that are they, human resources? Are they in sales? Are they in operations? Are they in marketing? And then he'll go ahead and feed this information into Log Growth Machine, which is his sequence engine. And this is where he will go ahead and enroll the contact only if a LinkedIn profile is found. So using Clay, you can determine whether or not, this lead has a LinkedIn profile and then enroll them whether or not they do. So in the case that they do, Log Growth Machine sequence will go start a sequence in LinkedIn to do the following steps. They'll give them a like on one of their recent posts, send a connection request, and send them a thank you message for subscribing, and then also send them a connection via X. So it's a pretty nifty, but very simple flow that you could build out with this tech stack that immediately guarantees that you have multiple touch points across multiple channels for a given subscriber that comes in just on one channel, which is, in this case, Alex's Beehive Claymation newsletter. So as someone who struggles to think about use cases within my own business for how to operationalize Clay, this might be a good option of a place to start, which is totally top of funnel here. When someone first subscribes or fills out a form, you would immediately push that information into Clay, push it into your communication channel to where you know that things are happening, and then go ahead and enrich information and enroll them using Log Growth Machine or an equivalent like Instantly or Lemlist, so that you can send them connections on LinkedIn and X and start to have them engage and see your brand more and more. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough, and shout out for Alex for building a great flow here. Cheers.